Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix photo swipe not working on TikTok. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, check for app updates. Open the App Store in your mobile device. In the search bar, search for TikTok. Once you search for it, tap onto it. And if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up settings. Tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Inside here, search for TikTok and then tap onto it. Just like that, tap on Upload app. Then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the stories used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. After that, make sure you tap on Reinstall app. Now, head back to your home screen, open up TikTok, and then all you have to do is simply log out of your TikTok account and then log back in again. This forces TikTok to reload your account settings, which can fix sync issues causing the swipe feature to disappear. Also, you can check reason or account type. TikTok sometimes rolls out new feature reason by reason. So if your account still does not show the swipe feature, you can try switching to a pro or business account. That can help unlock newer tools earlier. That's it. That is how you can fix TikTok photo swipe not working on your phone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.